Welcome to DM Flims. Did you know about PUMA, or have you never seen or heard of PUMA? Today I have brought all the characters, behaviors, lifestyle, what it likes most, and what it fears most in this video. If you find this educative, and you have learned something, please just follow this account, and share. Don't forget to hit the bell button below to subscribe to this channel so that you get all the great stories, news, and more on this channel. Let's go. What are the physical characteristics of a puma? Pumas have a rounded head with erect ears and strong jaws for clutching prey. They're sleek, muscular bodies and with a thick, long tail, and their large forepaws have 5 retractable claws, including a dew claw. Their fur is typically a tawny golden color, though they may have more silvery or reddish coats. How do pumas behave? Pumas are territorial, apex predators that live in diverse habitats throughout the Americas. 26 individuals are primarily nocturnal and solitary, although females will typically raise and accompany cubs for 15 to 21 months after birth. Are pumas aggressive? Pumas, puma color, are large feline predators that have been known to attack humans. Slightly more concerning is that most attacks on humans are as prey, not as defense. Thus, there are often signs to warn people going into areas where pumas are common. What to do if attacked by puma? Try to remain standing to protect your head and neck. If attacked, fight back. Use rocks, jackets, sticks to turn away the mountain lions. Report any mountain lion encounters or incident to the local ranger district or Fish and Wildlife Office. What are 3 interesting facts about pumas? Facts about pumas. Pumas can run as fast as 35 miles per hour. That's about the speed at which people drive cars in the city. Pumas are very good climbers and also know how to swim. Female pumas are called she-pumas, but they cannot roar.
It's a family, a mother with 4 cubs. She has just one brief summer in which to teach them their mountain survival techniques. Rearing 4 cubs to this age is an exceptional feat, but she does have an excellent territory rich in food and water. Although the cubs are now as large as their mother, they still rely on her for their food. It will be another year before the cubs can hunt for themselves. Without their mother's skill and experience, they would never survive their first winter. It's where she grew up, and she's ready to fight for it. Vestry is caught off guard. Acts as violent as this between females are rare. Fight. with cubs of her own. Linka will not back down. Overwhelmed, Rupestre has lost. The lakeside is no longer safe for her.
That was the lifestyle puma. Thanks for watching this documentary. Please don't forget to subscribe on this channel, like, and comment. What else do you like to watch or to know? This documentary is filmed and edited by DM Flems. God bless you. See you in the next video.